I'm Haviv Ben Tolila, the procurement manager at Angel Bakery. Angel Bakery was established in 1927. It consists of several factories. The primary plant is located here in Lod, an additional factory in Netivot, and another one at Kibbutz Kfar HaHoresh, Oranim Bakery. Across these facilities, we have about 1,300 employees. Every worker is required to wear a jacket over their clothing, a head cover, and a beard protector for those who have a beard. In the past, textile management was like a small warehouse at each production site. Every employee received 6 or 7 jackets to last through the week. Workers had to take care of the gowns, which isn't an easy thing in factories with many employees. Also, it was impossible to verify if garments were changed or if they were sent to the laundry and returned. The tracking was extremely difficult. To this day, I can't say if it worked properly. Today, with Polytex, things are very organized. Polytex machines are now in all our factories, Netivot, Oranim, and Lod. We intentionally place them in visible locations. The machine is attractive, a piece of furniture. An employee comes in at any time, retrieves their jacket, enters the production area, works, and when they finish work, returns the jacket. And that's it. The Total Care Management System enables us to track inventory and returns. We have seasonal fluctuations throughout the week. Friday is not like Thursday or Wednesday, and so on. This system allows real-time tracking, which certainly creates a level of convenience that we didn't have before. Every employee understands the interface immediately. After a very brief explanation, they already know what to do, how to retrieve their jacket. We have employees from India and Thailand, and they mastered it in a day. We have nearly eliminated disposable jackets, which we used to use a lot. We no longer have dedicated warehouse staff to manage jackets. And the movement of garments is now very orderly and precise compared to before. I would definitely recommend to my food industry colleagues that they use the Polytex system. It makes things a lot more organized and it reduces costs. I couldn't ask for more than that.